I have a condition. मेरी एक शर्त है. I have a condition. मेरी एक शर्त है. I accept your condition. I accept your condition. मुझे तुम्हारी शर्त कबूल है. You must have heard. You must have heard. तुमने सुना तो होगा. I took a day off from school. I took a day off from school. मैंने स्कूल से छुट्टी ली. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. यही तो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. मैं कुछ ढूंढ रहा हूँ. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Learn something from him. Learn something from him. कुछ सीखो इससे. You know nothing. You know nothing. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता. From there to here. From there to here. वहाँ से यहाँ तक. From here to here. From here to here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. From where to where. From where to where. कहाँ से कहाँ तक. From when to when. From when to when. कब से कब तक. You put me in trouble. You put me in trouble. तुमने मुझे मुसीबत में डाल दिया. What wrong did I say? What wrong did I say? मैंने क्या गलत कहा? You look quite happy. You look quite happy. तुम काफ़ी खुश लग रहे हो. I'm happier than you. I'm happier than you. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. Do as I say. Do as I say. जैसा मैं बोलता हूँ वैसा करो. I know how to do. I know how to do. मुझे करना आता है. I was pushed. I was pushed. मुझे धक्का दिया गया. I was about to fall. I was about to fall. मैं गिरने ही वाला था. How do you do it? How do you do it? तुम ये कैसे करते हो? I'm used to it. I'm used to it. मुझे इसकी आदत है. Buy from somewhere else. Buy from somewhere else. कहीं और से खरीदो. Ask someone else. Ask someone else. किसी और से पूछो. Go to him. Go to him. उसके पास जाओ. Go near him. Go near him. उसके करीब जाओ. Go ahead of him. Go ahead of him. उसके आगे जाओ. Go with him. Go with him. उसके साथ जाओ. Go in front of him. Go in front of him. उसके सामने जाओ. Go behind him. Go behind him. उसके पीछे जाओ.